The model will be presented in two versions, with internal memory 64 GB and 128 GB, respectively. In addition, the mechanical home button will remain on the front panel, and a single 12MP camera will be located at the back. iPhone SE2 will support wireless charging. The gadget will be equipped with a lightning connector. If you believe the renderings, iPhone SE2 will receive 4 colors at once: white, black, as well as bright red and yellow. According to rumors, the iPhone SE2 will cost $399, which is a very modest price tag for Apple. For comparison, the iPhone 8, which was released 2 years ago, costs $449, and the iPhone 11, introduced in 2019, costs $699. iPhone SE2 should go on sale in March 2020. As noted by the 9 to 5 Mac portal, iPhone SE2 will become a mid-range gadget, but with improved performance compared to other devices in this segment. However, according to analysts, the March device in fact will not be an evolution of the iPhone SE, but rather a new version of the G8. However, this is unlikely to worry potential buyers of the iPhone SE2. According to preliminary forecasts, the company will release 2 to 4 million devices, counting on good demand. In addition to iPhone SE2, in 2019 it is planned to release a new line of premium smartphones, which is conditionally called iPhone 12. In September this year, information appeared that the iPhone 12 will look like the iconic iPhone 4, which is still perceived by many as the most beautiful Apple smartphone. This was stated by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, known for his accurate predictions regarding Apple products. Then network insider Ben Gaskin posted a photo on his Twitter with a concept of how the 12th iPhone might have looked, inheriting the look of the quartet. It is reported that the conditional iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max will receive 6 GB of RAM against the 4 GB present in the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. Among other things, in the flagship of next year, a 3D camera may appear, as well as support for 5G technology.